Do you feel like you're constantly saying yes to everyone else but no to yourself? Does the idea of setting boundaries make you feel selfish or guilty? What if I told you that healthy boundaries aren't just the key to protecting your energy? They're essential for thriving in every aspect of your life. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll learn how to set boundaries that empower you and strengthen your relationships, all without feeling guilty. Hello everyone, and welcome to Inspire Canal Media, your go-to channel for personal development, where we dive into powerful topics designed to unlock your full potential and help you live the life you truly deserve. If you're looking to elevate your life, sharpen your skills, or find that extra bit of motivation to brighten your day, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling a topic that so many people struggle with: setting healthy boundaries without guilt. Why is this so important? Boundaries define how you allow others to treat you and how you prioritize your time, energy, and mental well-being. Yet many of us avoid setting them because we're afraid of being judged, rejected, or seen as selfish. The result? We end up overcommitted, burned out, and resentful, hardly a recipe for happiness or success. In this video, I'll show you why boundaries are the ultimate form of self-care and how to create them in a way that feels empowering and guilt-free. Let's talk about the common challenges people face when it comes to boundaries. 1. Fear of conflict. You avoid saying no because you don't want to upset others. 2. Guilt. You feel selfish for prioritizing your needs over others. 3. Cultural expectations. Many of us are taught that being nice means being endlessly accommodating. 4. Overcommitment. Without boundaries, your calendar fills up with everyone else's priorities, leaving no time for your own. 5. Burnout. Saying yes to too much often leads to exhaustion and frustration. Sound familiar? You're not alone. These challenges stem from deeply ingrained beliefs, but the good news is that they can be changed. The videos will be divided into 4 parts to help us understand the topic better and apply it. Without further ado, let's start. Part 1. Understanding the role of boundaries. Think of boundaries as the fence around your personal home. They protect your space and let you decide who enters, when, and under what conditions. Healthy boundaries. 1. Protect your energy. 2. Help you focus on what matters most. 3. Improve relationships by creating clear expectations. But here's the thing, boundaries are as much about you as they are about others. They're a declaration of what you value. Part 2. Identifying where you need boundaries. Before setting boundaries, you need to identify where they're lacking. Ask yourself, 1. Who or what drains my energy? 2. Where do I feel resentful? 3. What commitments feel misaligned with my values? These questions will help you pinpoint the areas in your life, whether it's work, family, friendships, or self-care, where boundaries are most needed. Part 3. The guilt trap and how to overcome it. Guilt often stems from a false belief that putting yourself first is wrong. But here's the truth. 1. You can't give your best to others if you're running on empty. 2. Setting boundaries isn't about shutting people out. It's about creating space for your own well-being. Reframe guilt as a signal that you're growing. The discomfort means you're challenging old patterns and building new ones that serve you better. Part 4. Practical steps to set healthy boundaries. Here's how to start setting boundaries today. 1. Clarify your priorities. Know what truly matters to you. 2. Start small. Begin with low-stakes situations to build confidence. 3. Use I statements. Express your needs clearly and respectfully. For example, I need some quiet time to recharge. 4. Practice saying no. Politely decline without over-explaining. Try, I can't commit to that right now. 5. Stay consistent. Reinforce your boundaries calmly but firmly. 6. Seek support. Share your goals with someone who can encourage you. Remember, Boundaries are about protecting your time and energy so you can show up as your best self. Here's the game changer. Setting boundaries isn't just about saying no to others, it's about saying yes to yourself. Every time you set a boundary, you're reclaiming your time, energy, and focus. You're teaching others how to respect you and showing yourself that you're worthy of care and attention. Imagine how much more fulfilled, confident, and balanced you'd feel if you stopped overcommitting and started living in alignment with your values. That's what healthy boundaries can do for you. Let's recap. 1. Boundaries protect your energy and help you focus on what matters. 2. Common challenges like guilt and fear of conflict can be overcome with the right mindset. 3. Practical steps include identifying where you need boundaries, starting small, and communicating your needs clearly. The more you practice, the easier it becomes, and the more you'll realize that boundaries aren't about selfishness, they're about self-respect. Now it's your turn. Where in your life do you need better boundaries? And what's one step you can take today to set them? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on personal growth and success. Remember, boundaries don't limit your life, they empower it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.